Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So customizing closed captions lets you control how subtitles look, including font size, color and background, so they are easier to read on any screen. So go to Amazon subtitle settings, open the Amazon website, sign into your account, navigate to your account and lists, and go to your account here. Okay, as you can see, so we have many options here. Just tap this one. Okay, so now I want you to look for subtitles. Okay, so subtitles, this is where caption settings are managed. Open subtitle preferences, like find subtitle preferences, click edit, opens customization panel, customize closed captions, like adjust the following: font type, simple, readable, fonts recommended, font size like small, medium, large, text color like white, yellow, etc. Okay, background color like black or transparent, opacity like solid or semi-transparent, edge style like outline or drop shadow. Okay, so use preview to see changes instantly. Save your settings, click save. Your preferences are applied. Okay, so apply in Prime Video, so open Prime Video, play any video. Captions will now appear with your costume style. Okay, so what happens after customization or customizing? Captions display with your selected style, settings sync across supported devices, and it's improved readability and accessibility. Okay, so there are some common issues like changes not appearing. You have just restart app or sign out and in. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.